Luffy has defeated Kaido, finally. So there's this cool moment where he laughs. It's like when Roger laughs, you know, and they just have the scene, he laughed. I drew it actually, but it's very similar look on his face. So King of Pirates incoming, Luffy, Monkey D. Let's go. I didn't know which one to draw. I liked like the calm smile and then when he was laughing. So I've decided to do both. Split your page in half. Easiest way to do it is just like fold your page and then you'll draw your line on that fold if you want. Or you could measure, of course. It's easiest for me to just fold. So we'll start with laughing Luffy over this side, right? So we're going to go for his nose, right? Which is just like a triangle kind of sticking up in the air. So up, there, right? Like a triangle pointing that way. And then it just curves around for his frowning sort of brow like that. Nostril there. His closed eye, just a curved line across in the nose. Like there. And you could fit probably a nose in between them. See the distance? That width is probably the same there. See that? Between the eye and the nose. And then we can add curved line on top and just color black. So that's like his eyelash. Eyelid line underneath, just a curved line. One on top. And then that curvy Gear 5 eyebrow up here. So, and in the show, they like cut off the end of his eyebrow. So I'm gonna try and make this up. Like that. And then we have another frown at the front. And then we can see his scar. Like so. And that's exact. And what we can see of his eyebrow on this side. So we can just see like this. There. Like so. So then that big smile, right? So starting beyond the nose line, right? So it's like here. So let's see. So like, and it kind of curves up. Right? So crazy big, right? And then it comes around. Like this kind of a thing. Okay. Then we got like a cheek line up here, I think. Okay, so teeth inside. We'll start with the bottom because it's kind of easier. Like so. And then his tongue, another sort of curved line. There. And then his teeth, top teeth. So classic sort of one piece kind of thing. And then the back of his teeth, you can just see here. And then like teeth lines, 1, 2, 3 back there. And you'd see like his gum there and some of his gum here, these little tops of his teeth, and maybe like some teeth lines there. There's some hatching on the back of his tongue as well. So then the shape for his face, so he's got like a real round kind of face, right? So we'll start out from the nose here, and it just sort of curves around like that at first. And his chin's down here, and then it goes this way. Right? And his jaw will just go up like that. And then we have his sideburn, just like there. Maybe the jaw will go a bit higher. And so his face is like forehead keeps going like from out behind the eyebrow here. Like that. Of course, he's got like all scratches and blood and stuff on his face if you want to add some of those. Make as much of that as you'd like, really. From the fight with Kaido. Right, so then his ear curving around here, go round like that, and then ear lines inside. Easiest way is always this kind of curvy letter J kind of thing, but of course you can add more detail if you want. Like that. So then his hair, so it's real wavy. So we'll go like out from, say like here. So we'll just start adding. So it's real cloud-like hair. It comes out from behind his eyebrow actually, and we'll add a spiral here. Because I want to. Can't see any spiral. But I think he should have one. Right, and then it kind of comes across his face. So it's like his hair is like smoke or something. Goes off the page back here. Okay, so neck. So we'll go real long neck. Back of his neck is like here. Okay, and then the front. Go out from like the middle of his teeth and down. So real long. Starting like this and then down that way. And they put some like extra sort of hatching lines in there. And I'll put a neckline that way. And we can't actually see. So we can see what is. So we can see like, so his collar is kind of here, right? So it kind of like bumps around. Just goes that way. It just goes down and off the page. And like he's got all that smoke then coming across his shoulder here. And some more hair back here. And then his hat, just like back around the back of his head, so it's back here as well. And then that means his shoulder should be going this way. And then like texture lines for that hat. On the back of his head. Okay, so that's the laughing one. So now we'll do Cam smiling Luffy over this side. So okay, so eye closed. We'll start with the nose again. So just this kind of arrow sort of pointing up. There, and then the nostril like so. So then that his curvy eyebrow on the other side here, just right across from the nose, comes across, around that way, and down. And then his eye underneath, curved line there. And we'll thicken it up to make it look like eyelashes. Just a darker sort of line like this. And he's got a closed eyelid, so it's like that. And then some nose lines, like so. Scar on his cheek. There. And then like a flatter sort of smile. So his mouth's not open, okay? So we gotta go, say, underneath the nose and underneath his eye. So it starts, say, like the curve. He's got this like curvy sort of edge of his smile this way. And then this comes down. And it goes beyond his nose. So it goes like there. And it's kind of a bumpy line, so, you know, don't worry too much about keeping it straight, you know. It's kind of like that. And then his bottom lip line underneath that. There. And then, so because his head is tilted up, we can just see like the side of his face. No real sort of chin, right? So like curves, again, like a real round kind of face. So curving around there. And then this goes around towards his neck. Like that, right? His jawline curves this way. And up to there. And again, we have like some hatching lines just underneath that chin. So his ear, so we got like sideburn here, and then his ear comes around like this way. Probably hit that line actually, and then back. In there. And then we have his earlobe, or those ear lines. Right, and then like, you know, lots of those scratches and stuff on his face and stuff. Blood and dirt and like so. So then, yeah, the back of his neck again, down here. We'll meet that cloud, and then the front of his neck going that way. Like a neckline just there. So then his head and his eyebrow up here, so it like curves around there. And you can just see a little bit of the white eyebrow there. And then this will come out from behind his nose and go this way. And much like this one, we'll meet like spiraling cloud hair, basically. Smoky kind of hair all going that way. And then up from his sideburn, up the side of his head then as well. So all here. Right, kind of like that. And then the long hair comes out from the back of his neck. Again, similar sort of situation as the other side. Like that. And then his collar sort of again just coming down this way, bumping off that way. And then we meet some of that smoke that goes around his shoulder. There. And then Straw Hat. Maybe like some of his collar here as well. The dark part of the hat here. Doom, 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 doom. Okay. Luffy defeats Kaido. Satisfaction on that man's face. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.